Well, it's a sign of the financial times we're in. The real estate market is filled with foreclosures, short sales, and fixer-uppers. For those looking to cash in on a deal, a house in need of a little TLC can be great. Finding the money to fix them up can be a real challenge. But there's a little-known loan that gives buyers a chance to make the repairs and pay for them up front.
We have some peeling paint along the exterior. There are places in the brick foundation where it needs to be repointed. Some of the wood, it looks like maybe there's rotting.
As a realtor, Erica Hall sees a lot of properties like this foreclosure in Worcester. Great houses with a good price that are in need of some attention.
One thing that's concerning, there's looks like water marking on the ceiling. Again, we don't know what the extent of that is or what the cause of it is.
Fixer-uppers, bank-owned or not, can be a great deal. But coming up with the cash to make those repairs or improvements can be tough. And sometimes the condition of the home can hold up your financing.
Some of these issues have to be repaired prior to closing if you're using a standard mortgage product like an FHA or a conventional.
But there is a little-known way to purchase a home that gives you cash to make renovations and repairs all in one loan. It's called a 203K rehab loan. It's an FHA mortgage that allows you to put down as little as 3.5%, and upon closing, gives you money for needed repairs.
I think it's one of the most underutilized loans. It's a terrific loan, especially for first-time home buyers, because it gives them an opportunity to have money that they may not have saved up because they were saving primarily for the down payment of the home.
Though the 203K program has been around since 1978, HUD tells us not many take advantage of it. Statewide, just 829 203K loans were written last year.
I think mainly because it's a difficult loan for the broker or lender to do, can be a little bit longer process as well. So I don't think realtors like to tell their buyers about it because it can take upwards of 45 to 60 days, where a typical purchase we can get done in 15 to 30 days.
If you're patient and are willing to do a little extra work, you can roll some of the cost of those big ticket items into your mortgage.
Replace a roof, you can replace a septic system, heating and plumbing, kitchen fixtures, you can redo a kitchen. A lot of different things that you can utilize this loan program for.
To qualify, the home must be your primary residence, so no investment properties. But needed repairs as well as cosmetic updates and even new appliances can count. Though there are FHA maximum property values for each county, you are allowed to borrow 110% of what the property will be worth after repairs. A homeowner needs to get a contractor to commit to a price for the work before closing and agree to have the work completed within 6 months of closing. You will have to pay mortgage insurance, but many say it's a short-term way to get added value in your home.
The value of the property has increased because they've made those improvements, and the overwhelming majority of buyers then continue on to refinance. Usually they're eligible for a conventional product, which means their rates go back down, they can drop their monthly mortgage insurance payments, and they've already got equity in the property.
This house is actually under agreement, and the buyers are using a 203K loan to hopefully make this house a home.
If you stick with it and you're willing to commit to the process, it's just a phenomenal opportunity.
You can also use a 203K to refinance as well. Experts say you should use a lender who is FHA approved and someone who is familiar with the 203K process. Now, for a list of eligible lenders and more information, log on to our website, myfoxboston.com, and click on Special Reports.